I was born in the continent of Africa. You were born someplace else. It doesn't reflect any moral authority or an intellectual achievement. I kind of compare it to when people tell me, oh, you're so pretty, you're so beautiful. I was born this way. I didn't do anything. Looking like this is not an academic achievement. It's not a moral status. I didn't do anything. I was just born. I didn't decide where my nose should be, where my mouth should be. I'm using this to explain the idea about the comment where people said, oh, some are using, they're using marriage. You are also using something else. And I'll tell you in a second what it is that you're using. As I exemplified, I didn't choose to look like this. I didn't choose to be born where I was born. Maybe you chose to be born in the United States, but the actual process of birth itself was not your choice, and you can't claim that to be your intellectual achievement or your moral authority over other people who've been born elsewhere. So when you say other people are using something to be in the United States, remember that you're also using, you're being born in the United States. That is what you're using. That is your channel to be here because you were born here. And in my experience, there are different ways. Some people